Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Becca will be sharing her tips and tricks with you on how to paint a perfect manicure. But before we get into that, we have a quick shout out for today's sponsor, Booksy. Booksy is the #1 beauty booking marketplace in the world, and it's not just a scheduling app. It's like having a savvy business partner right in your pocket. It can handle everything: booking clients, managing your crazy schedule, and even preventing those pesky no-shows. Ever wish clients could just book themselves? Booksy makes it happen. No more playing phone tag or texting back and forth. Clients can snag a spot on their own anytime. Plus, get your business out there by listing on Booksy Marketplace. It's a hotspot for new clients. You can even track your sales, take cards or mobile payments, and get your cash fast. And the best part is that it's not going to break the bank. One price, all features. Click the link in the description box below for your 2-week free trial of Booksy.
Hey guys, it's Becca. So before starting your manicure, it's a good idea to use polish remover to get rid of any oils or leftover polish on your nails. Once your nails are clean, apply a base coat. The base coat will protect your nails from staining and give you a smoother surface to paint on. Next, choose the color you want to paint with. Try to choose one that's liquidy so that it goes on smoothly. When painting your nail, start in the center and place the brush a couple millimeters below your skin. Gently push the brush up to create a curved edge and then pull the brush down the center of the nail. Next, make a stroke down either side of the nail to fill it in, and then blend everything together with a final stroke down the center. If you have longer nails, also make sure to cap the free edge with polish to prevent chipping. Do this again on the rest of your nails. If your hands are shaky, try resting your wrists on the table to stabilize them. Don't worry too much if the polish gets on your skin. You can clean it up later with acetone. After all of your nails are completely dry, do the same thing again for a second coat. The second coat is important because most polishes need 2 coats to look completely opaque and smooth. Next, grab a stiff brush and dip it in acetone or nail polish remover. Gently dab off any excess liquid on a paper towel, and then use it to carefully remove any polish from your skin and to make sure the edges of the polish are neat and rounded. When you're happy with how the polish looks, apply a coat of glossy, fast-drying top coat to seal in your polish, give your nails a beautiful shine, and to make your manicure last as long as possible. When your polish is completely dry, apply some cuticle oil around your nails and rub it in. This is especially important if you are using acetone, since acetone will dry out your skin. And you're finished! I hope some of these tips were useful for you. Good luck, and I hope all of your manicures turn out well. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.